One of the most important support columns of an online business is delivery of the product. The product delivery is your chance to create a lasting impression on your customer, and no one wants to mess it up. With Zeppo, we give you automated shipping options that let you schedule pickups and deliveries as soon as you receive the order. But what about shipping options? Can I set shipping rates according to the weight of my product? What if I don't want to deliver to specific cities in India? Well, all that is possible, and we are going to have a look at how we are going to achieve that. Do you have various product pickup points other than your own office? You can add multiple pickup points for your business using this option. You can add new ones from here or manage existing ones from here. Moving on to the different shipping policies that you can set for your store. You can set different shipping policies for both domestic and international deliveries. Looking at domestic deliveries first, in all you get 5 different options to choose from. Let's have a look at them one by one. Number 1. Different shipping policy for each product. Under this option, you will have to individually set shipping rates for each product on the upload product page. You can also apply a free shipping for orders above a specific order value, say Rs 1500. Next is the more self-explanatory option of applying free shipping to all your products on your store irrespective of order value. You can choose this option if you have priced your products to include shipping charges. Further on, you can also choose a flat shipping rate for all your products, irrespective of the product value. Say Rs 50 is your flat shipping rate. The fourth option is to apply a flat shipping rate to every order instead of products. In this option, irrespective of how many products there are in an order, the same shipping rate will apply to the complete order and not individual products. Say a flat shipping rate of Rs 200 for every order, even if there is one product or 15 products in the order. And finally, the fifth option to apply a weight based shipping for your products. This helps specifically when you are selling bulky goods like furniture, etc. Here you can define different weight slabs, but the prerequisite is that you should have weight mentioned for all your products on the store, for this to be auto calculated on the checkout for the complete order. Let's add a couple of weight slabs, shall we? You can add more or delete weight slabs as per your convenience. Here too, you have an option of applying free shipping above a certain order value. So this was about the shipping policies that you can set for your store. Moving on to the different shipping areas you wish to deliver to. You can choose to deliver products based on state, cities or pin codes. Let's start with states. Either you can service all over India or you can choose specific states that you want to deliver to, like only Haryana, Maharashtra, and Delhi. Next, you can choose specific cities under these states, or all of the cities under these states. Further classification can be done on the basis of pin codes, and you would like to further break down what pin codes to serve in particular cities. This helps if you are selling fresh food items like a tiffin service, etc. Say even in Gurgaon, I want to deliver only to sector 56 and nowhere else. Whenever I order something online, I'm always in a hurry to get them soon. And it helps when my seller tells me when I can expect my product. You can set expected delivery dates for your products in days, hours, or weeks. That's all for domestic shipping. If you are shipping internationally too, you have the same options available to you. Starting with the shipping regions, you can select shipping to all countries or specific countries or to specific regions in the world like Asia and the Indian subcontinent and Europe. Next up is shipping policies for international shipping. You can apply a flat shipping rate for each of your products depending on what country it has to be shipped to. Do keep in mind that you will have to set shipping rates for all countries under this policy, even if the rate is zero. Like in domestic shipping, you can apply free shipping above a certain order value. Like in domestic shipping, you can set a single shipping rate to every order instead of products. In this option, irrespective of how many products there are in the order, the same shipping rate will apply to the complete order and not individual products. Say a single shipping rate of rupees 2000 for every order, even if there is one product or 15 products in the order. Or also choose weight based shipping like we saw in domestic delivery. And like in domestic shipping, you can set expected delivery dates for your international deliveries too, in days, hours, or weeks. Hope that helps you define the best and optimum shipping policies for your store. Needless to say, if you have any queries, please write in to us at support@zeppo.in, or you can also give us a call at 0922 358 3358.